Gunfire was heard last Thursday outside of Myers Hall on K-State's campus. Luckily, they were just blank rounds, a part of an active shooter training exercise led by K-State police. Channel 8 News reporter Jacen Clapp was there and brings this report.
Leo Dominguez is a cadet captain and acting safety officer who recently put together an active shooter protocol training known as a.l.i.c.e. The training was coordinated between K-State campus police and ROTC cadets. Dominguez said that the purpose of organizing this training was to prepare officers and cadets for violent situations.
It was just a way of putting the cadets and K-State PD into different environments. They not only helped us prepare for that, but also how to react to every scenario.
a.l.i.c.e, which stands for Alert, Lockdown, Inform, Counter, and Exit, teaches people how to properly react when there is an active shooter presence. The police conducted 3 different scenarios which tested the cadets in their a.l.i.c.e. training. Campus Police POI Brad Millington said that if any situation like this were to happen, the important thing is to be prepared.
This training benefits the university police officers on how to respond to an active violence situation. It also benefits the students on how to react, if need be, how to use the a.l.i.c.e. training to lock down and counter and all those different things that they're taught in the a.l.i.c.e. training. The one thing that they should take away is that we're prepared, how to respond, how to react, and train and be prepared for any incident. Hopefully it never happens, but be prepared just in case.
In Manhattan, I'm Jacen Clapp for Channel 8 News.
Active shooter training is held each year on K-State's campus. Be sure to keep an eye out for it around this time next year.